If that's not boss, I don't know what is, you guys. But anyway, Olympia got to interrogate Serena while she was doing her makeup. So Serena tried to show how she used to do quick makeup after every game because they would have to go for a conference, a press conference, and then she had like 10 minutes to do her bath and to also get her makeup done. So here's her trying to do it in real time like she used to, and then Olympia walks in and interrogates her about why she's putting on makeup.
And also being organized is super important because it's like you have like 3 minutes to get to your press conference. And as a mom, I have 3 minutes before my daughter comes in, and there she is. But anyway, I'm done. That's it. That's all I have time for. Hey, Mama.
I just want to see you.
And that's that. Usually I would
why are you putting makeup on?
Because why wouldn't I? And I usually have a
why are you wearing makeup? Because, like, what? Where are you going, to a ball or something?
Oh my goodness.
Are you going to a ball or something? Where are you going with lipstick, blush, and stuff?
And so now I'm not going to a press conference, but I am going to have to go. I had about the exact same time. Bye.
So that's into Serena Williams' mom live right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.